Hello students. So today we are going to take up the new topic, and that is components of health related fitness. So that also includes 5 major components. One is cardiovascular endurance, muscular strength, muscular endurance, flexibility and body composition. So today we are going to take the first component, that is cardiovascular endurance. So let us start the topic. Students, cardiovascular endurance, also known as cardiopulmonary endurance. Now it refers to our physical ability to undergo aerobic exercise for a longer period of time. The word cardiovascular means there will be blood vessels, it will be dealing with heart and the lungs. So further you can define it as the efficiency of the heart and lungs and the blood vessels to transport oxygen rich blood to the working muscles during physical activities. ठीक है, जो हार्ट की कैपेसिटी, सी व्हेन यू परफॉर्म एनी फिजिकल एक्टिविटी फॉर अ लॉन्गर पीरियड ऑफ टाइम, ठीक है, आपका मसल्स को ऑक्सीजन मिलना चाहिए, and that oxygen reaches to that working muscles through the blood. So the ability of the heart and lungs को पहले lungs के पास आएगा ऑक्सीजन through respiration, through your breathing, ठीक है, and that is why when you perform any activity for a longer period of time, आपका heart rate increase होता है, आपका blood this respiratory rate or breathing increase होता है, breathing rate increases. Now that is done to जो भी deficit oxygen supply होता है वहाँ पर deficit oxygen होता है, because through glycogen also the body will try to consume oxygen, ठीक है. Once that is exhausted, then the body will try to take the oxygen from the environment, from the surroundings. So do you sufficiently supply that, your breathing rate increases. So when you perform any activity for a longer period of time, for example long distance running या jogging, ठीक है, swimming, then your heart rate, your lungs, your breathing increases. So that is to what, through breathing you get oxygen, that oxygen through alveoli is transferred to the blood, that blood again moves to the heart, heart से फिर वो supply होता है various whichever organ, whichever muscles, that is the working muscles, जो भी activity आप कर रहे हो, जो भी body organs, जो भी limbs उसमें involved है, उस limbs के muscles को oxygen supply होता है. So that is cardiovascular system, and that is your cardiovascular endurance कि कितना ज़्यादा हार्ट जो है, हार्ट का अगर स्ट्रेंथ अच्छा हुआ, हार्ट का साइज अच्छा हुआ, ठीक है, दैट मच ब्लड, हार्ट का फंक्शन अगर अच्छा हुआ, लंग्स का फंक्शन अगर आपका अच्छा हुआ, देन दैट मच ऑक्सीजन रिच ब्लड विल बी ट्रांसपोर्टेड टू द वर्किंग मसल्स. और अगर हार्ट, लंग्स, ब्लड वेसल्स का फंक्शंस अच्छा रहा, वो अच्छे कंडीशन में रहे, मीन्स यू हैव अ गुड कार्डियोवास्कुलर एंड्योरेंस, ठीक है. सो हार्ट एंड लंग्स आर द वाइटल ऑर्गन्स that responds to most of the physical activities and exercise, and good cardiovascular endurance means that these organs are functioning in a proper way. Clear? Next, aerobic exercises, then running, swimming, jogging, brisk walking. Brisk walking means fast walking. These are the various examples or various physical activities for enhancing your cardiovascular endurance. You can enhance by performing these activities. Then cardiovascular exercises can be performed to strengthen your heart and lungs. Also, this exercises helps to reduce weight, maintain weight, and also to decrease the body fat percentage, the fat percentage in your body. It also reduces the stress level body का, mind का, दोनों का, ठीक है, mental as well as physical stress gets reduced when you perform such exercises. And your daily fatigue, when you perform daily routine work, the daily fatigue also gets decreases, मतलब physical stress भी decrease होता है. And the main important one, that it helps to prevent various cardiovascular diseases. काफ़ी सारे कार्डियोवास्कुलर डिसीजेस भी इससे, जो लंग से रिलेटेड है, एस्थमा है, ठीक है, और आपके हार्ट से रिलेटेड है जो डिसीजेस है, वो सारे प्रिवेंट होते हैं व्हेन यू परफॉर्म दिस कार्डियोवास्कुलर एक्सरसाइजेस. सो it is very much necessary component, that cardiovascular endurance, to live a healthy life. So health related fitness components में सबसे important component इसको माना जाता है. So I hope that this topic is clear. We'll take it up the other two component from the health related fitness component tomorrow. So that's all for today. After this, I'll share the PDF file also. You need to write down this topic in your notebook also. Thank you. That's all for today.